Expectation. Ano ba ang pwedeng mangyari sa akin? Expectation. Ano ba ang expectation ng mga magulang sa akin? There are a lot of things that we would like to expect. There are a lot of things that we would like to see that will happen in the future. Our Blessed Mother also has her own expectations. Sinabi niya, paano ito mangyayari? Hindi ko naiintindihan. Paano ito mangyayari? Hindi pa ako handa. Paano ito mangyayari na hindi ko alam in the near future kung anong mangyayari sa atin? Expectations solicits in us a kind of doubt. Expectation solicits in us the feeling of uncertainty. Expectation sometimes solicits in us anxiety. It creates in us anxiety. It creates in us a kind of how we wish we can see the future. How we wish we can be certain of what will happen in the future. But the thing is, life has a lot of surprises. Many things that will happen to us. Many things that will come into our life. Pero, kung titignan natin, these are the situations that we become better as a person. Dito tayo natututo that if we become mature in terms of our decisions, na makikita natin that everything that we do now has its own possible and immediate consequence in tomorrow. Na hindi po ito nababatay kung ano yung gusto mo at ano yung masayang gawin ngayon. You always look forward. You always expect something good. But expect that you have to do something good now. Starts with us now. Kung titignan natin, you always listen na ang kabataan ay the future. Because majority of the people, majority of the population ay kabataan. Ngayon, pag ang kabataan, makikita natin, if there is something wrong with the kabataan, makikita natin that the near future will be questionable also. Paano ko iatulad ang mga kabataan ngayon? Pero, hindi po future. Kayo na po ngayon. Peace. This peace about kapayapaan. At paano ba nangyayari itong kapayapaan? Kung minsan, tinitignan natin ang kapayapaan as a consequence in the near future. Ang kapayapaan, ito ay mangyayari pa lang. Pero ang sinasabi natin ngayon, ang kapayapaan ay pwede nang umpisahan ngayon. Again, this is something that we have to look at. Ang kapayapaan should start now. And it should start with us. Tayo po. Ang umpisa. Tayo po ang mag-uumpisa ng kapayapaan. Peace can only allow us to have that lasting life.
Nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa'yo. Nandito lang ako, umaakay sa'yo. Nandito lang ako, naghihintay sa'yo. Hanggang dito na lamang ang iyong mga luha. Tahan